My dear students, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to dissect a flower of Malvaceae family. It is a dicot family. Today we have taken Hibiscus rosa-sinensis flower for the dissection purpose. Dear students, please don't forget to put the hyphen in between rosa and sinensis when you are writing this scientific name in your exam copy. You can see here I am removing the calyx part using a scissor. The sepals are united in this case, so we can call this flower as gamosepalous flower. You can see, students, all the four whorls are present in this flower: the calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So this is a complete flower as well as bisexual. Now, using the forceps, I am removing the petals. You can see the petals are free, so we can call this flower as polypetalous flower also. Five petals are there, so this flower is pentamerous in nature. Now I'm making a fine slit through the androecium tube. To remove the androecium, you can see numerous anthers are there. Students, it is better to isolate the androecium as a whole, but in this case it is a very difficult job. You have to be very careful during this time so that the gynoecium remains intact. The androecium, the stamens are united in this case, so the stamens are monadelphous in nature. You can see 5 bright red colored stigma at the top of the gynoecium tube. This particular flower is petiolate and the inflorescence type is solitary axillary. It is an important feature of Malvaceae family. This flower is also bracteate and bracteolate, and actinomorphic in nature. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all like this video. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.